Creating a course in Moodle. For this, first of all you need to log into your Moodle site with the admin account. Once you have logged in the block, click on Site Administration, click on Courses, Manage Courses and Categories, and here you can create a new category for the course that you are planning to create. Click on Create New Category. Now you can decide if you want it to be under the parent category Miscellaneous. This is the default category that is provided at the time of installation itself, or you want it to be at the top level. So if you decide the parent category to be at the top level and give it a name, add description, create category, and you will see the category has been created, but it has 0 courses within it. Now you click on the category under which you want to create the course. On the right side you will see the category name, that is, this is the category that you have selected. Under this, click on Create New Course. Give the course full name, the course short name. Make sure the category is the actual category that you created and selected for this course. Course visibility, do you want it to be shown on the website or not? Course start date and end date. If you have a specific duration for which you want the course to be available, you can specify the start and end dates, enable the end date, and then specify the date that you want. So I do not want to specify any end date as of now. I will keep it disabled. The course start date and the time also can be specified. Give a description. Ideally, the description should display the duration, the audience, that is, who is this course meant for, the learning outcome, that is, what the user will gain by the end of this course, and any prerequisites if you have for the course. Add an image for the course. Course format. This is the grid format. This is an external plugin that I have installed. By default, you would get weekly format, topics format, social format, or a single activity format. So this is the grid format. Number of sections. Now I basically have a 6-week long course, and each week would span for each module. So essentially I need 6 sections for the course content, 1 for the introductory section and 1 for the closing session. Therefore, I basically need 8 sections. So I will select 8 sections for now, which I can increase or decrease as per requirement even later. Rest of the settings I will let it remain to default. Next is the appearance. Here you can specify the number of announcements, whether you want to show the gradebook to the students or not. That is, the student will get to see their own gradebook, not of all the students. Files and uploads. You have to specify an upload limit here, that is, the maximum file size that will be allowed to be uploaded on the course. Completion tracking. yes, I want to track the completion of the course. And groups, for now there are no groups in the course. Role renaming. This preferably should not be renamed. So let it remain to default here as well, and then save and return. The course has been created. Click on the course. When you scroll down, you will see a precise view of the course. That is the full name, the short name, the category, any groups if there are, enrollment methods. This is set by default, the format of the course, number of sections, and modules used, that is the forum. Now we can go and view the course. This is how the course looks as of now. When the images for each module have not been set up, these are the 8 sections that we have created, and with a general section that is for the announcements. Now how do you add content to the course is, when you click on the actions menu, the gear that you see at the top, turn editing on. Once you turn editing on, then you will see a host of options which are available, using which you can add the content to the course. For example, in the general section, this is the announcements forum. Now this can be renamed. When you click on this pen, you can rename this to important updates, or you can let it remain to announcements. Depends. When you hit enter, the forum has been renamed, but it will remain to an announcement type of forum. Now when you go to edit settings, here you will see the forum type is announcements, and this cannot be changed. What is the difference between an announcement type of forum and other types of forum? That we will see in another video. Similarly, you can make changes to the course by setting up the image for each section and by adding content to each section. How to add content is also part of the other video tutorial. Please subscribe to the channel for more updates. Thank you.